All right, guys, how's everybody doing? I've got some updates about quarter 3 retakes and makeups. So here's what I have for you today is some information about how exactly those are going to be working. So first of all, just really quick, the difference between the two. So if you were absent the day of a test, like I know a couple of you missed the interwar period test that we took right before we closed due to the virus, and so what you are going to do is you're going to do a makeup first. So that would be like, like what you would do since you missed the day in class. You're just going to make up the test, excuse me. And then if you want to do a retake afterwards, you're welcome to do that afterwards of the same test if you want. But so here's when. First of all, the retakes are going to be taking place the week after spring break. So next week is spring break. So the only work you should be doing next week is like studying for a test that you want to retake or need to make up, and then and seeing if there's any projects or work that we did in class that you never turned in for third quarter. That's a 0 right now, because you need to turn those in to me ASAP. Okay, so and then you're going to be able to do your retakes and your makeups the week after spring break. I don't have the exact date yet. We're still waiting to hear about that, so I'll get back to you exactly when during that week you can do them, but just know that they're going to take place the week after spring break, so the week after next. And then, so here's the format. For vocab quizzes, the format is very straightforward. For a vocab quiz, you're going to go into your grade book and you're going to see what was your score on the vocab quiz you want to make up. So let's say, for example, you got a 10 out of 15 on the World War I vocab quiz. That means you missed 5 of the terms. So what that means is that to do the retake for the vocab quiz, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the list, the vocab list for the unit quiz that you want to make up, or excuse me, want to retake. And you're going to basically pick 5 of the terms from that list. So however many numbers you missed on the original quiz, that's how many terms you need to pick from that list. And then for each of those terms, you're going to make a short paragraph. I'm thinking like 3 to 4 sentences where you explain to me, all right, here is the definition of the term, and then in your own words you have to tell me how is that term important or what was its significance to the unit. So just a couple, so for however many terms you missed, you're going to pick that many terms and give me a short paragraph describing its importance and its definition. So you get to pick 5 of the terms. Doesn't matter which 5 from the list, just 5 of those list terms. That's how you're going to do retakes for vocab quizzes. For tests, unit tests, here's how the retake is going to work. Whichever unit test you want to retake, basically it's going to, the retakes and the makeups are going to be all short answer. There will be no multiple choice. For each retake or makeup, the tests will be 10 short answer questions. And so what you're going to do is whenever we do end up doing the retake, and I will post it for you into Google Classroom, you're just going to go in and you're going to answer each of those short answer questions. Then you're going to turn it into me through Google Classroom, and that's how you do the retake for the test. So again, it'll be at some point during that week after next that I will send you the retake of the test, whichever unit test you want to retake. You go in and you do the retake and you submit it on Google Classroom doing the short answer questions, no multiple choice. Now, if you do, let's say you missed the interwar period test and you want to do you need to do the makeup, I recommend doing it earlier in the week. Again, so that then you can do a retake later in the week. But again, I don't know exactly when during that week the test will be available. I'm still waiting to hear about that. But just so you know, we will be doing third quarter test retakes and vocab quiz retakes week after next. And that's the format they're going to take. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or send me a message on Remind. I know it's a very confusing time period, but between now and then, just let me know which tests you want to retake or you need to make up. Thank you.